In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a salary slip in Microsoft Excel. Begin by opening Microsoft Excel and creating a blank workbook. This gives you a clean sheet to build a simple salary slip format from scratch. Once the worksheet is open, start by entering the main heading at the top. In cell A1, type company name. This works as the title area for the salary slip and helps identify the document clearly. Next, move to cell A2 and type payslip for the month of June 2026. This adds the pay period and makes the slip look more organized and professional. After that, go to cell A4 and type employee name. This creates a place where the employee information can be shown clearly. Now set up the earnings section. In cell A6, type earnings. This will act as the heading for all income-related items. Then in cell A7, type basic salary, and in cell A8, type overtime. These are common parts of employee earnings. In cell A9, type total earnings. This row will be used to calculate the total amount earned. After that, create the deductions section on the right side. In cell C6, type deductions. Then in cell C7, type tax, and in cell C8, type health insurance. These entries represent common deductions that reduce the final salary amount. In cell C9, type total deductions, so you can display the combined deduction value. Next, add the final payment label. In cell B11, type net pay. This is where the final amount after deductions will be shown, making it easy to read at a glance. Once the labels are in place, you can enter the formulas. In cell B9, type equals SUM, open parenthesis, B7:B8, close parenthesis. This formula adds the values for basic salary and overtime to calculate total earnings. Then go to cell D9 and type equals USM, open parenthesis, D7:D8, close parenthesis. This formula totals the deduction amounts for tax and health insurance. Finally, click cell C11 and type equals B9 minus D9. This subtracts total deductions from total earnings and gives you the net pay amount automatically. With this layout and these formulas, you have a simple and effective salary slip template in Excel that covers everything you need to know.